Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rachel here with vicrez.com, and today we are going to be doing a quick overview on how to properly install our rear window louvers. We've gotten a lot of questions from customers asking just how in the heck do these things attach to the windows. We'll just sit tight and we'll show you how to successfully install these bad boys in under 15 minutes with just 6 quick steps. Now, window louvers are essentially just souped up shades for your car. The word louver itself means a series of slats, but these slats will do more than just offer you shade. When installed directly onto the rear window, you'll surely be pleased to find that there is more than just a cosmetic upgrade here, with the initial intentions being amplified from looking cool to also being kept cool. This rear window louver actively works towards reducing sun glare and lowering the window surface temperature, which then provides an additional bonus to you: decreased cabin temperatures. With the surface temperature of your window being kept cooler, you'll find the interior of your car several degrees cooler than average, even on the hottest days. Thankfully, the installation process is quick and simple, as well as 100% non-invasive. This means that there is no additional cutting, clipping, or drilling required. Plus, the real bonus here is that these louvers do ship from our facility nearly ready to install. You will find everything that you need included in the packaging: adhesive promoter, brackets, nut caps, and washers. Depending on the style of your rear louver, you may even find that you have a roll of foam to help dampen the vibrations of the louver against your rear window. No matter the louver, the included supplies and overall installation method will follow a somewhat similar set of guidelines, all of which will start off with a clean car. So you know what that means for step 1, clean your car. Once you've wet, rinsed, waxed, and dried your car, we are ready to hit the next step. Step number 2 is pretty simple. We just want to do a quick test fit to make sure that everything looks good and all the edges are aligned properly before we start getting off any of the adhesive backing. An extra set of hands here is nice, so you're not stressing out the louver by adding any unnecessary points of tension. Once the test fit is done and you've decided everything looks good to go, we are on to step 3, applying the adhesive promoter. Now, this is an extremely important step, so a lot of care should be taken here as to properly apply the adhesive promoter directly to your clean rear window, and only in the areas where needed. However, don't be shy or try to use sparingly. This is what is going to make our rear louver stick the way that it should. To ensure that all these areas do get covered accordingly with this adhesive promoter, we are going to apply it thoroughly around the entire edge of the rear window. This is a foolproof way to ensure that the promoter will have contact with each backing on these here brackets. After the adhesive promoter is applied around the edge, we are working towards step 4. Working from the top to the bottom, we're gonna peel the red adhesive backing off of the upper top half of this louver here. Again, an extra set of hands will be helpful because once that backing is peeled off the top half, it's time to carefully place it onto your window. This is another crucial step, so please make sure you are centered to the back of your vehicle when applying pressure. This adhesive promoter is no joke, and you'll only really get one shot. After securing down the top edge, we can move on to the red backed brackets. These are going to secure directly onto your window and will need to line up accordingly to the pre-drilled holes on your rear louver. The easiest way that I have found to get these guys into place is by working one at a time from top to bottom and left to right. It may seem like a lot of work, but it is worth it in the end, because any misaligned brackets and you will throw the whole entire placement of your rear louver off. Starting at the top passenger side, we are ready to remove the red backing on the back side of this here bracket. Gently lift one side of the louver and slip this bracket into place, making sure to use your free hand to hold the screw. Gently apply pressure steadily for 10 to 15 seconds. Continue in this fashion for the remaining brackets: top left, top right, down left, over right. making sure to hold each bracket with your free hand until secured into place with steady pressure. If you accidentally place a bracket down incorrectly, don't stress it. Just act quickly to pull the adhesive off your window, as that adhesive promoter will seal itself within 30 seconds of contact. Once each bracket has been attached to your window, it's time for another test fit. So grab that louver and take it on off your window. This is where you will get to see the fruits of your labor. If everything was done just right, you should find that reinstalling is as easy as 1, 2, and 3. Just start at the top, work your way down, and pop each one of those brackets through the appropriate space. If you need to readjust anything, now would be the time to do so. All in all, you should find that your new rear louver can be easily put on and taken off. This will make cleaning your rear window just as easy as it was before. Now we are ready to finish up with our final step, number 6. Grab each washer and nut cap and start securing each of those brackets into place. This you can do in any fashion as long as they all get secured down nice and tightly. Now take a step back, take a deep breath, and enjoy your new rear window louver. As always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, do yourself a favor, hit that like button below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel here. We have new videos out weekly, and you will be the first to get the latest 411 on all of our newest products. If you'd like to get the latest deals and discounts sent straight on over to your inbox, well, you better head on over to vicrez.com and make sure you get yourself subscribed to our weekly newsletter. We've got deals, sales, promotions, and new product updates every day.